The GOAT, the icon, the man that we know as the best player in basketball, Michael Jordan. And today, I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing Jordan playoff 12s right after this.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see it.
So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Moises. Welcome back to the channel. And if you guys could do me a solid, if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell icon so you can get all of the new notifications when I drop new content. So with that being said, we're gonna get into the unboxing of the Jordan playoff 12s. Now, Jordan wore these sneakers in the 1997 playoffs. These pair were retroed back in 2004 and then back in 2012. And then we have got another restock this year. So it's been about 10 years since we got another restock from 2012. These were actually very high anticipated for me. They had dropped on March the 11th and they retailed for about $210. You were able to get them pretty much at all of your sneaker stores. I was able to cop my pair off of, where did I get my pair off of? Dick's Sporting Goods. Don't sleep on Dick's Sporting Goods, guys. Sometimes you're able to hit, because people are, rushing Foot Locker and, other Champs and Finish Line, other sneaker stores like that. But don't sleep on Dick's. Dick's be having Jordans and Yeezys. They be having the hot releases. They go fast. They might not have a lot of pair, but a lot of people don't be on them like that, on Dick's Sporting Goods like that. So you might be able to cop them like that. So let's get into the unboxing. So you have this is actually one of my favorite boxes from Jordan, but you have the Jumpman on the top of the box. Then on the side of the box you have that red at the top, then the black with the Jumpman. Then on the other side of the box you have the writing, and what the writing says is quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And that's facts. I'm definitely a big Jordan fan. I remember growing up, I used to watch him and Reggie Miller have them iconic basketball games and them going back and forth. I was still young, but I do remember glimpses of it. And of course, Space Jam was like one of my favorite movies growing up. Still is to this day. It's a real dope movie. But on this side, you have the red and black also, and it says Jordan on this side. And then you have your SKU and your size. So I got a size 10.5 in these, which is my true to size, and they fit perfect. Let's get into the review on the sneaker. So at the bottom, you have the black, and then you have the white stripes going across. Kind of reminds me of the Zebra 350s. And then going up, you have your white sole, and then going up from there, you have the silver Jumpman sign on there. And then going up from there, you have this all black. It's kind of like a distressed leather, if that makes sense. It's kind of like a crackling leather. If you have like a leather jacket for a long time and it starts to like look worn, that's kind of how the leather looks on this. I think it's dope. I really dig this sneaker. So these Jordans are fire. Retail was $210, like I said. Resale right now is actually pretty low. You probably on resale, I'll put them in the video, but it's like $225. The most I've seen was like $230. So you really could cop these for almost retail. So I'm not sure why they're still so low. It might be because we just been getting overwhelmed with these sneakers nowadays coming out back to back. But I'm not sure if people were more anticipating the Yeezys. These aren't really hot on the resale market, So if you're looking to cop, you can and not break the bank. So let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And become part of the La Familia game. Become part of the family. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get all of my new notifications when I drop content. I'm going to be dropping content for you guys on a consistent basis. It's your boy Moises. You guys be easy.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see. Yeah. Her